twist, and then go heat it, and then come out and do your final blow. Otherwise, you see how that's got that little frost down the bottom? It's no good.
So you're saying you should have heated that before you had it finished the blow?
Yeah. So I want to do my twist, cut, flash, come back, blow it up. So make sure you go up on the cold part of your jacks. Shut that.